warning for perfect straight cuts, sweetie. Let's start. Can I help you push this first one, Mom?
It looks ready.
Power's on. Remember our rule. Slow and steady pressure.
I'll keep the area clear for run-out, little one.
Everything is square and tight, farmer. Safety first for this new cutter.
Vlog time. Today, making farm planks. Get ready for the action.
This one is a little wiggly, but I can do it right.
Wait, sweetie. Remember the push stick for the last foot. Always.
Almost ready for the big cut. Must be quick, quick, quick.
Push stick only! Sweetie, stop pushing! Stop!
Oh no, it flew. I pushed too fast. I'm sorry, Mom.
That's called kickback. The wood pinches the blade and becomes a missile.
Wood missile! Did you get that? That was insane, folks!
Thank you, Lost Dog. I forgot the rule. This controls the danger.
Warp and the pinch point. We need a proper tool for this job. Safety upgrade. A riving knife rides with the blade. It spreads the wood apart. No more pinch. A strong, steady fence is the start of safety. We hold it still.
See? The right tools and the right help make dangerous cuts safe.
Slow, respecting the blade. The riving knife is working.
Excellent feed rate, sweetie. That's control, not rush.
Perfectly true, little cutter. No warp, no worry.
Good technique. Tools are worthless without respect for the cut.
Safety victory! From wood missile to perfect plank. Huge turnaround, viewers.
Visualizing the path. Slow start. Push stick ready.
Another one perfect. Consistency is the mark of a master.
That focus is beautiful, sweetie. That is how you respect the machine.
Keep the saw happy, and the saw keeps you safe.
Look at that efficiency. Teamwork makes the dream work, folks. Safety is cool.
Almost done with the warped pile. We will turn this wood into a perfect shelf.
Last one. All straight and true. No more wood missiles.
Well done, sweetie. Every cut a lesson learned.
See the difference? Kick becomes control when you use the right tools and respect the speed.
I won't rush the blade ever again. Thank you, Mom.
Good sawdust, good work. Now, time for the reward.
Closing out the vlog, you saw the kickback and you saw the comeback. Amazing lessons today.
Okay, team. Time for the final farm reward. A strawberry pineapple smoothie. This sawdust makes the floor nice and safe now. Nothing is wasted.
A little moisture helps everything settle. Steady and clean.
So many perfect berries. This is gonna taste like victory. A little sawdust for good luck. Lesson learned and celebrated. To control over Kick. And to working with smart friends.
Best reward for a good day's honest, safe work. It tastes of sweetness and the peace of a job well done.
Perfect footage. The kickback drama, the riving knife fix, and the sawdust smoothie.
It's a powerful tool for safe hands. I won't forget you again, little stick.
Machines need rest, too. Always cover the blades. Always protect the tools. Okay, shop cleanup complete. Time to check the pumpkin patch irrigation before lunch.
Uncle Patch. Let's go, Mom. I'll check the drip lines.
Even the thirsty vines appreciate a gentle touch after a lesson.
Always check the engine before we head out. Mechanical safety is everything.
Ready for the bumpy road. Another lesson applied, sweetie.
Found the spot. Look at all those pumpkins, Mom.
Slow and steady water, just like the table saw. Everything needs control.
No blockages here. Clear path, just like a clear cut line. That perfect plank you cut is already serving a purpose, sweetie. Strong and true.
Irrigation safety is just like saw safety. Check your lines, prevent the pressure buildup.
You're the best safety partner, Lost Dog. Always ready to help. Look at that light. The farm is ready to rest after a good, productive day.
Tools put away, ready for tomorrow. Good work, little farmer.
Silence and stillness. The earth needs rest now.
Kick becomes control with tools. I learned that today.
Every big machine demands respect, and every farmer needs a reliable team.
That's a wrap on our safety adventure, everyone. Until the next farm vlog.
Come on, sweetie. Let's head in for a quiet evening.
Light for the night. Always leave the work area clean and ready. Sleep well, tools, until the next bright morning.
My careful little farmer. You learned the biggest lesson today.